The intention here is to connect all that data from first point of contact with a prospective customer all the way through to we have years of history.
How about you share your screen and let's take a look. So in this demo, we're going to start with sales. What are the different ways you can capture sales in Cetec, Scott?
So sales can be manually entered or they can come in an automated fashion through EDI or an e-commerce integration. So the manual process starts under our sales tab with a new quote. So we enter a quote with the customer. It pulls over the data from the CRM, our contacts, our shipping address, notes that the salespeople may have made, or that accounting is made. So there's this integration with your sales funnel, your leads, your opportunities, your forecasts, and so you can drive all kinds of sales reporting and sales management functionality.
I see you have opportunities and forecasts and leads.
The intention here is to connect all that data from first point of contact with a prospective customer all the way through to we have years of history, so that when they call and have an RMA or a return or a reorder, trying to make these processes and this customer relationship management simple and streamlined with the rest of our operations.
Do you have a B2B portal?
We have an open API, so people can build their own portal or their own integration into Cetec, or they can leverage one of our integration partners like API Works. So here we're looking at their Shopify integration, but they do BigCommerce, SPS, WooCommerce, you name it. They can bolt it onto Cetec.
Awesome. Awesome.